At the end of this lesson, you will learn to convert negative sentences and sentences with modal auxiliaries to passive voice. Let's look at the negative sentences and try to convert them. I have included only simple tenses here. Here is the rule. Remember it, learn it. Primary auxiliary verbs like do, does, did does not appear in passive voice. In other words, do, does, did helping verbs are not used in making negative statements and for making interrogative statements in passive voice. Take a look at the chart. Do, does used in active sentences for making negative and interrogative changes to am, is, are in passive voice. Did changes to was, were. Modal auxiliary verbs don't change their forms and position in passive voice. They take be after them in passive voice. All the steps are same for these sentences. The only step is to add here is to write not after helping verb and to make negative statements. Here is an example of simple present tense active voice sentence. She does not teach English at Learn ESL. Let's see step by step. Step 1 is to find out SVO. She is subject, does not teach verb, English object. Step 2, swap English with her and her with English. Here subject is she, a pronoun. So it is changed to her in passive voice and written on the object's place in passive sentence. Step 3 is to add helping verb. English is a singular noun, so suitable helping verb is written after English. One new step here to add is to write not after is. In active sentence, not is written after does, so in passive voice too, we will write not after is. Not comes after helping verb in negative statements. Remember this. Step 4 is to convert MV to V3. Third form of teach is taught. So I have added taught there. Step 5 is to add by before her. These are the 5 steps. Look at the complete passive sentence. English is not taught by her at Learn ESL. Look at the negative structure in passive voice. Subject plus be plus not plus V3 plus preposition plus object plus ROTS. ROTS means rest of the sentence. And active structure is subject do or does, not V1 plus object plus ROTS. Now look at the example 2. Cindy did not break the window. Active sentence. Step 1, identify SVO. Cindy subject, did not break verb, the window object. Step 2 is to replace window with Cindy and Cindy with the window. Step 3, helping verb of past tense was and were. The window is a singular noun, so here was is written and not is also written after was. Step 4, time to add third form of the verb. Break, broke, broken. Broken is the third form of verb, so broken is written here after not. Step 5 is to add by before Cindy, the object of passive sentence. Let's read the answer. The window was not broken by Cindy. The window was not broken by Cindy. Here was is to be form of past tense used in passive sentence. And past participle broken is used here to convert the sentence to passive voice. Now see the modal auxiliary structure of active and passive voice. Subject plus main auxiliary plus V1 plus object plus ROTS. Passive voice subject plus main auxiliary plus B plus V3 plus ROTS. ROTS means rest of the sentence. Look at the modals that change in passive voice. Should take changes to should be taken. Can take changes to can be taken. Could take, could be taken. May take, may be taken. Might take, might be taken. Must take, must be taken. Ought to take, ought to be taken. These changes occur when you convert the sentence with modal auxiliaries to passive voice. Look at the third example. Amy will not buy the tickets. This is the example of modal verb. We'll follow the steps. Step 1 is to identify SVO, Amy subject, tickets object, will not buy verb. Step 2, swap S with O and O with S. Tickets and MS places are changed. Step 3 is to add helping verb. Helping verb of future tense will be, shall be. So ticket, will. Now we have added not between will and be. And then Amy is written at the end. Step 4, convert main verb to V3. Third form of buy is bought. So bought is written after be. And step 5 is to add buy. Look at the complete passive sentence. The tickets will not be bought by Amy. Some more examples. Her husband should take her to the hospital. She should be taken to the hospital by her husband. Rich people must help the needy. The needy must be helped by rich people. This is the passive voice sentence. Should be taken and must be helped. Here is the sentence for you. I want answer from you. Hurry up. Okay, here is the answer. A letter will not be written by him. Will not be. Structure. Remember the structure.